Well, I've actually moved further down the path instead of up the path. I let that person pass. It seemed harmless, they had a dog with them. But you never know at this time of the night, you gotta be careful. So I'm back down near the bottom end of the back of the park again now. I think the longer you stay at any spot, the more chance there is of you actually recording something. Of course, there will be many times when you go out and you stay there for hours and get absolutely nothing. But I don't know how, just by sheer luck, I think lately I've been getting at least something out just about every time I've come out. Don't know how that's happening, but it seems to keep happening lately. Now I can hear loud music. It's a car, I think. And I just nearly got poked in the eye by a big twig there. I do apologise for pointing the camera at myself so much. It's just that unless you'd rather prefer to look at a wall, and I'm sure a lot of people would prefer that rather than look at my face, this is the only other option I've got at the minute. Now the factory is just in front of us here. There's a big factory, or a row of factories. Still not entirely sure what they make in the factories though. Behind the fence, you can't quite see the fence, it's behind these trees. Hello, is there anyone here? Hello? You? Anyone there? Come on over for a chat. I don't suppose there's many people come down here to talk to you, right? Well, now's your chance, because that's exactly what I've come here to do. Talk to you. This camera is pretty nice actually. It has a really big screen on it, and the numbers are nice and big, telling you how many minutes you've shot and how many minutes well, it doesn't tell you how many minutes is left, but if you work that out yourself. But it's nice and clear. It's a 3-inch screen, and the camera is really compact. It's about this similar size to your average slimline mobile phone, I would say. Just slips in your pocket and you can hardly notice that it's there. And no one's going to think that you're happy to see them either, because it doesn't create a massive bulge in your pocket, which is good. If there's someone here, are you male or female?